I'm your host, Miss Marissa, and I'm ready for an extra fun art factory this Friday. I know we had lots of fun last week finishing up Easter, and it's been a long time since then. But someone who is here from our Easter extravaganza week is the Queen. Hello, Your Majesty. You're doing splendid today. Very excited to be here with me, your loyal subject, as well as all of our viewers. I'm excited too. So obviously it's April. It's your birthday month. You know, a lot of great things happen in April. It's the gateway for spring. It allows all the things to grow. I agree with that. One of my favorite sayings is that April showers bring May flowers. Now, if there's showers all the time and it's raining, what are we going to need? That's right, an umbrella to keep us dry. So I have a really simple but awesome umbrella craft that we can do. We're going to need a few things. A paper plate cut in half, a little J shape made out of any color paper, some paint, paintbrush, little plate for your paint, some water to clean it off. And we can't forget our handy dandy glue. I'm going to show you real quick what to do.
You're going to begin by gluing your handle to the front of your paper plate. So you want the part that kind of is scooped in to be the back of your umbrella. Turn it over and prepare your paint. This is the fun part of the project. You can paint your umbrella any way you like. There's no design in mind, just whatever you do, it's going to be right for you. Don't forget between each color to rinse your brush out in the water and wipe it on a paper towel. This will make sure that you are keeping your brush clean and your colors bright.
Wow, I love the way this umbrella looks. Check it out, ready to keep me dry, rain or shine. Let's show the Queen. Your Majesty, check out my umbrella. Oh, I know, it could keep you dry for any season. I love it too. The great thing about this craft is that you can make your umbrella however you want. It can be one color, multicolors, design, no design, anything you want. So keep yourself dry during all those showers in April. Until then, see you next time.